Okay, hello everyone. We are trying to get our founders for today. So happy Republic Day to everyone, and welcome from Founder Speaks. So we had some discussion before, and I have deleted that video because our founder is having some problem to get added. And if this is not working, definitely we will shift to the Instagram pattern, and we will shift to the Instagram channel. 2 hours. So now we'll wait for a 1 minute more. Let our founder get added. So I can see some more people are adding to this particular platform. So Rajnikant has welcome Rajnikant, welcome Baswaraj. Now we are just waiting the name to come here as Sajin. So Sajin will wait for 1 or 2 minutes more because there is some technical problem I think so we are facing. So I hope you can see me, Sajin, online.
Yes, I can see you.
Yeah, okay, okay. So let me check. Hello, sir. Good evening. Rajnikant, very good evening. We are waiting our founders to get added. So we are facing some technical issue. So he is also online. I am also online, but I can see you. So Sajin, can you please drop a message to us? Please drop one message. Then I will try.
I have got a comment.
You are commented, right?
Yes.
Okay, so yes, now I got your this comment. Bring Sajin on camera. Now I have sent you a request, Sajin. You will. I hope you will get the notification now.
Okay, just a moment. I think yes, I'm getting it.
Yeah, it is showing added, adding. I hope you must have got a notification right now.
Yes, I got a notification.
Yeah, now you can add. So once you will be on my camera, then we'll call off our phone calls. No answer from live video guest. I will try once again, Sajin.
I got the notification and I accepted that.
No, no, once again I have sent you a notification.
Okay.
Have you got? Now I got a notification that adding. Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh,
Finally.
finally. Finally, finally.
Yeah.
You are having some technical issue, Sajin. Once again, I'll send you a request.
I'm getting a request. I don't know
I
what's the
think so.
problem.
Range problem is there with you.
No, no, absolutely no problem. Wi-Fi and full network coverage.
Okay, no problem. So I hope now sound is clear. Baswaraj, I hope sound is clear now. I know you people are waiting since last 10 minutes.
Uh, sorry, everyone. I don't know what was the problem. There was some technical issue.
Okay, Sajin, so I will start. You please put your camera at one place. So it is moving right now. So
Okay.
try to put at one place.
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
till time, I'll just have a talk with my viewers. Yes, hello
Yeah.
everybody. Welcome from Founder Speaks and happy Republic Day to everyone. We were facing some problem to get added with our founder for today, but now we have resolved our issues and now we are back on Facebook Live. I just wanted to tell everybody is that Founder Speak is a platform where we call the founders and startup owners from various areas and they share their views on our platform. So whatever their views, whatever their mindset, we usually get that mindset and we just spread that message to the other startup founders so that they can get motivated. Now we have with us one more personality today, Sajin Sudhakaran. He has completed his MBA and now he is the founder of Silver Horse Ventures Pune. So about company, he will explain you in a detail. And let's start. We should not wait more. It's already a late. It's been 5 to 10 minutes. I think so. We are late by 15 minutes. So not to worry about it. So Sajin, welcome from Founder Speaks.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
I
Everybody
hope
who is
your
watching.
voice is clear.
Yes, I can hear you very well, and I hope I am also audible.
Yes, you are audible, Sajin. You are audible. So can we start?
Thank you for watching. Sorry for the technical issues. I hope everybody can hear.
Again, there was a problem, but don't worry. We will solve that problem. आज 1 घंटा नहीं 2 घंटा भी लगेगा तो हम सॉल्व करते रहेंगे प्रॉब्लम को. No worries, we are on Facebook Live. So whatever we are discussing, it is going to be recorded. So
Okay.
whether you are going, so it is okay. If you are going away, if there is any issue, again we can come back and again we can discuss. Because ours is not business. We are just discussing here. And whenever it is a business, we have to be very cautious about that particular business delivery. So here we are not doing any kind of business. So as we are chatting and people are looking at us, people are listening to us. So we don't have to be a very professional. We have to talk like a friend. And we can also add some more people into this particular chat. So without wasting a time, now we will start. Sajin, so can you please brief us about your venture?
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. And thank you, everyone, whoever is watching this. And a very good evening to all of you. Hope all of you have had a great day. Happy Republic Day to all of you. And now, going ahead with the discussion, going ahead with the question about my firm, my business, I would just keep it short. We won't discuss too much in detail because of the time limitation. So, I'm Sajin Sudhakaran, the founder of Silver Horse Ventures. My company, we are suppliers for corporates and companies. We supply items like t-shirts, uniforms, safety shoes, safety jackets, office stationery items, all the safety equipments, housekeeping items, anything, basically anything that companies require in bulk on a regular basis. So I am a supplier for a lot of small companies here in Pune, PCMC. As of now, we are limited to Pune and PCMC, and
Okay.
will be expanding very soon. So how I started my journey, if I describe the how I entered into business, then I
Please.
mean again it's a long. We'll keep it short. See, I can recollect maybe from school time itself. You know, I had that mindset that somehow I want to get into business, and I can recollect maybe it was somewhere around sixth standard, seventh standard. That was the time when great Dhirubhai Ambani ji passed away. So, you know, that was an atmosphere where in TV news channels or all elders, parents, everybody used to keep talking about Dhirubhai Ambani ji. And that somewhere, you know, planted that seed of business in me. Maybe that is what I can recollect. तो तब से मेरे मन में यही था कि बिजनेस ही करना है आगे जाकर. And I have an elder brother. Uh, and you know, when I was in seventh standard, he was in 10th. So that was a time when everybody starts thinking कि career में आगे क्या करना है.
क्या
So for
करना?
him, that was that phase कि आगे क्या करना है. So he was always interested in this. He used to tell me entrepreneur बनना है, industrialist बनना है, businessman बनना है. So maybe that also somewhere put that in my mind कि आगे जाकर business ही करना है. So I was very much keen, very much interested. I had made up my mind that I will be doing business whatever happens. Then again on the same lines, you know what happened is education also. I tried to match up, and I tried to do whatever will be useful for me in doing business. So then I took up commerce. I graduated from Symbiosis College, and then I did my MBA from DY Patil Institute.
Right.
So all these, I always tried that my education should help me start my business, and it should help me grow my business. So whatever it has to be very business oriented. So that is how I ended up. I pursued my education, and then I worked with a few companies, good e-commerce companies like Snapdeal.com. This was from 2013, and I worked with a few companies, and my core experience has always been in e-commerce. So when I was so all these years I was looking for that good idea. You know, some good idea needs to be there for starting a good
Right.
business, but I somehow couldn't get one idea or couldn't get one opportunity to start with. But then I worked with these companies. Then I thought, let's start with e-commerce. So e-commerce में start करने की इच्छा हुई. I started by selling t-shirts online. I used to sell t-shirts online on Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, Myntra, all these websites. And I also had my e-commerce website for selling t-shirts. So I used to sell plain t-shirts and printed t-shirts online. Then gradually what happened is more than e-commerce, I started getting bulk orders from companies. So
Good.
companies want their logo embroidered, like for their uniform. They wanted some t-shirts printed for events. So I started getting bulk orders. So that was like an eye opener for me. So I was focused only on the e-commerce, but more than e-commerce, I started getting response from companies for bulk orders. So then I rerouted my business totally, and then I started serving companies majorly. Major business came from companies. Then 1 or 2 years it was going okay, it was going good. But then later I realized that if companies like they want t-shirts from me, similarly they want so many other products on a regular basis. Then why should I
Right.
restrict my just for t-shirts? So then I started doing uniforms, then I started doing safety shoes, then I started doing safety equipment. So I expanded my product range, I diversified,
Right.
and now supplying all these products that companies require on bulk in bulk on a regular basis. So as of now, a lot of associated with a lot of small scale companies in Pune, MIDC. So going good now. Last few
Good. Good.
months,
So this is really inspirational from MBA and to having one idea to get into the e-commerce, and from e-commerce to get into the like B2C to B2B.
correct,
And
correct.
now I think so now you are also dealing with the B2C component, or only B2B you are dealing with, only company to company.
It is B2B. 10%
Okay.
also I am doing, but 90% most of it is just B2B now.
Okay. Okay, good. So that is what is all about your success story, how you started, and now you are having some good business with you, and we also wish you a best of luck for your coming days, and you should come up with the good kind of products to the businesses, and you should spread your company across the world. So that is a best luck from our side as a founder speaks. One more thing I just wanted to focus on this particular discussion is that have you faced some kind of failures when you started this? मीन्स हैव यू थॉट इन योर माइंड कि नहीं यार अभी बंद करना चाहिए, बिजनेस नहीं आ रहा है, ऐसे कुछ हुआ था क्या? होता
ये
है बहुत
बहुत
सारे
बार
टाइम, ऐसे कुछ हुआ था? हाँ, यस।
बार होता था, बहुत बार होता था. I mean, in the initial stages, once you enter business, business is not what I mean. तुम सोचते कुछ और हो, होता कुछ और है. So
बराबर
when
है।
I initially when I was working with companies, तब लगता था यार, I mean, why can't we do it? We have so much of knowledge, we have the experience, and basic I had decent good savings when I was in the job and all. So तब हमेशा चलता था कि चलो let's do business. Then finally I dived into it. I started, and then I realized जितना भी तुम prepared रहो, it is not sufficient. I mean, you have decent good savings, that is also not sufficient. You have decent good knowledge, you have decent good experience, you feel like you have everything and you're well prepared, but the fact is you will never be fully prepared for it until and unless you get that situation in front of you and you know to deal with it. And that dealing with those situations just comes with that experience, not with any other company's experience. Also, any working with anybody else, the, all that experience is also not sufficient. So a lot of times in the initial stages, when you don't get sufficient business, a lot of times you have to rethink. So I face the situations very frequently कि करना है क्या? I mean, should I go back to a job? Is that a safer option for me? Do I need to take these risks? But then, yeah, there was that motivation since I had this in so many years in my mind. So I did not want to give up. Whatever is, it is. However bad the situation it was, I wanted to stick to it, and thank God it has paid off. By God's grace, everything going well now. So this is
Good.
like initial 1 or 2 is very tough.
Good. So this is what we wanted to learn from the learn from the founders, how they are coping up with the situations, and how you people are coming up with the new ideas. And again, if you are facing so many problems, but you people are coming up with the new ideas every day. Now, one or two questions I have got from some of the people that, sir, please ask these questions to the founders. Is that those students, those who are recently graduated, is it like that they have to start with the startups, or they have to get into the what we can say inception of a company, or they should do a job for 5 to 10 years and then they should get into the startups and entrepreneurship? What is your opinion on this?
See, frankly speaking, you need to have some knowledge about business and how it works. That comes once you work with a few companies, once you work
Okay.
somewhere, you know. And,
Okay.
as, I mean, my journey, I was always focused that I want to do business. So whatever jobs I took up, I made sure that it would add on to my knowledge and my experience for doing a business. So if
Okay.
be great if you can find an opportunity where you can understand the business, and that happens with small companies mostly. I
Right.
mean, if you get big company, you're a very small part of a very big system. And once you get into small companies, you actually learn how business is run, what
Right.
goes behind the efforts, the day and night struggles, or you know, the finances, everything. All these things you get to know once you work with a small company, or you and once you learn all that, that is the best phase to start a business, in my opinion. But again, if you have some background of, you know, seeing business, of seeing how
Business.
it
Right.
works, yeah,
Right.
you have some mentor who like gives you a good idea of how businesses work, then that is decent good to start a business of
Good.
your own. As I said here, I mean, you will never be fully prepared. You have to take a leap of faith sometime, and then, you know, you will go along the flow and you will figure out things.
Okay, so I just wanted to tell to the people, those who ask the questions to me, if you're doing your graduation, try to put your thoughts into internship. Then you will get an idea of what exactly the businesses, how businesses are running. And if you are not getting chance to get into the internship, then family business if you're having, you know, they can try out there, and after that they can coming up with the new startups and new businesses. So as per the Sajin, what Sajin is saying that yes, you should have some experience of an industry, and then you people should get into the startup and entrepreneurship. Then you will exactly come to know how businesses are usually runs.
Right,
Right.
right.
Okay. Now, next question to this particular platform we usually ask to the founders is that do you read some kind of a books? Which books you would like to refer to our viewers?
Books,
Or is
a
there
lot
any
of books.
favorite book of you which you wanted to refer us?
Yeah, I read a lot of books, and most of it I read such motivational books only. So
Good.
I have rarely read any novel. Most of them are books like motivational books, philosophies of life. So one book that in the initial stages during my college days I had read, and that again, you know, kind of that business ka keeda jo bolte hai, that this book made that business ka keeda alive in me. And the book is Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. So it's a
Okay,
wonderful
Napoleon.
book. Yeah, I would highly recommend anybody who is wanting to start their own business to please read this book. It has a few principles, you know, around 13 principles which are necessary for any entrepreneur or any businessman, that these things you should be having, you should be prepared for, and then you can get into business. So those 13 principles are very useful. And besides that, you know, it has a number of small stories in it from big businessmen of those times. So this book was published way back in 1937. So businessmen before that, like Thomas Alva
Business.
Edison,
Right.
John Taylor, Henry Ford. So stories, you know, from these businessmen, which helps you to think, okay, this is how businessmen think, this is how they work. So it helps you a lot. So that is one book.
Good.
Another book maybe I think of is Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Now
Yeah,
this
which one
is
is a
again,
very famous book. Yeah, very
yeah,
famous.
everybody who is entering into business or any entrepreneur, most of them have read this book. So I too
Yes.
strongly suggest that, because
Yes.
in that you really understand the mindset of, you know, the rich people, how they think, and how and for like people like me, or for majority of people who are watching this video, I think most of us come from a background where, you know, our parents are not from a business background, or
Right.
we haven't been seeing business from our childhood. So it is very important to understand how business people think, how businesses work, and all that. So again, that book helps a lot.
बहुत
So these
important
two
है.
books are good enough.
ये जानना बहुत important है. Why we are asking the same set of questions to everybody or every founder is that हमें इसके बाद इसका एक बुक बनाना है। हम लोग अभी सोच रहे हैं कि इसका हम लोग एक बुक बनाए जहां पे हम लोगों को फाउंडर स्पीक्स 1.0, फाउंडर स्पीक्स 2.0, सो जब ये 30-35 इंटरव्यूज हो जाएंगे तब आप लोगों से हम लोग मिलेंगे। उसके बाद वॉट एवर वी हैड अ डिस्कशन, वी वांटेड टू गेट इट इनटू द स्क्रिप्ट फॉर्मेट एंड वी वांटेड टू पब्लिश इट एज अ बुक, सो दैट कि ऐसा नहीं है कि यही वीडियो ही देखना चाहिए लोगों ने, वो बुक भी देख के लोग पढ़ सकते हैं। एंड वी वांटेड टू कीप इट अ वेरी रीजनेबल प्राइस लाइक 99 रुपीज और समथिंग। सो ours is like that ki we just wanted to promote the startups and entrepreneurship. So this is what is our thinking. So that's why we are asking the same set of questions to everybody. So can now we can get a list of books. Last time one of a founder told that go for Stay Hungry, Stay Foolish. Now you are saying go for Rich Dad, Poor Dad. So definitely we will have a number of books. So whenever any people wanted to enter into the startups, he will have a list of books with him. So that is what is our vision. So we hope.
हर book में से कुछ मिलता ही है।
there was some voice issue. Can you please repeat?
No, you should read as much as possible. हर बुक में
Yes.
से कुछ ना कुछ थोड़ा मिलता ही है।
कुछ ना कुछ तो मिलेगा हमें, कुछ ना कुछ तो मिलेगा। बराबर बराबर, हमने भी ये कुछ ना कुछ तो कहा तो भी पढ़ के ही फाउंडर स्पीक्स का आइडिया we have came up with this particular idea. Okay, so moving towards our discussion, है ना, most of the people are now hungry, they must be feeling hungry, है ना. So people are always hungry about thoughts, people are always hungry about nice quotes, people are always hungry about some inspirations to get from that particular quotes. So is there any favorite quote of yours which you feel very hungry when you read that particular quote and you go for a walk? I'm hungry not in the sense of food, in the sense of going towards working.
Right.
So is there a favorite quote of yours which motivates you?
Yes, a lot of them actually, not one. I am very, I mean, I try to be in that ecosystem of motivation always. I watch a lot of motivational videos. I keep motivating myself because that's needed. So then
That is very important.
yeah, always keep a few quotes. I have stuck it on the wall. So whichever day I feel I am down, I read those quotes and again I'm charged up.
Good,
So,
good.
a few quotes comes to my mind right now. One, I mean, in the initial stages, again, it helped me a lot. It was motivating. This is by Frank Sinatra, who was a performer, who was a singer in US long back. And this quote says, "The best revenge is a massive success."
Okay.
So, I mean, there would be people who would be pulling you back, whatever. I mean, there would be people who are talking behind your back, or the negative situations, negative vibes, and all that. But you don't need to answer everything. You just need to focus, and you just need to become successful. Rest, everything will be taken care of. So, a massive success is the best revenge. So that is
Good,
one.
good thought.
Uh,
Good thought.
Another one, about entrepreneurship, because I was just talking about it like few minutes back. I was telling, like, you just need to dive in and then you'll figure out the things when it comes. So there was a quote by Reid Hoffman. He's a co-founder of LinkedIn. So the
Okay.
quote says, "An entrepreneur is a person who jumps off the cliff and then builds a plane on the way down."
Good.
So initial stages,
Literally good.
be prepared. Somewhere, somehow, you have to take a leap of faith,
You have to.
and then when it actually comes, you have to figure it out. How to get out of it?
Right,
How to
right.
come out? You have to
Right,
figure
because
that out.
sustainability in startup and entrepreneurship is a very important. Because हमें पता है कि लॉस हो गया, लॉस होने के बाद we feel somewhat depressed, है ना. Sometime I have seen people those who are get into the depression because of the business losses. तो ये तो होता रहेगा. तो इसके लिए हमें कुछ तो करना चाहिए. तो कोट्स है ना, रीडिंग बुक्स, सम कोट्स हमने दिमाग में रहने चाहिए so that we people can get charged up. जैसे आपने कहा कि मैं चार्ज होता हूँ सर, ऐसे है ना. कुछ लोग चाय पीने से चार्ज होते हैं, कुछ लोग कोट्स पढ़ने से चार्ज होते हैं, है ना. तो मुझे ऐसे लग रहा है कि स्टार्टअप एंड एंटरप्रेन्योर्स कोट्स पढ़ने से चार्ज होते हैं, है ना. So that is what we people should have in our mind. Okay. Thank you, Sajin. We'll move towards our next question for the interview. One thing is in everyone's mind that कि 24/7 हमें काम करना चाहिए. अगर सक्सेस चाहिए तो हमें 24/7 काम करना चाहिए. Now you are having your own startup. ऐसा है क्या, मतलब आप भी कंटिन्यूअसली 24/7 काम करते हो, और यू प्रिफर टू हैव ऑफ ऑन संडेज एंड सैटरडेज? व्हाट डू यू सजेस्ट, वी शुड टेक ऑफ और व्हाट? यस प्लीज, यू स्पीक. या.
Very fixed off on Sundays, and 24/7 does not exist for me. See, again, having said this, 24/7 does not literally mean that you are working for 24/7. But you know, in the initial stages, a lot of times it happens even when you're sleeping. सपने आते हैं तो बिजनेस से रिलेटेड ही आते हैं.
आते,
तुम
हाँ
सारे वो
हाँ
कि अरे ये इशू चल रहा है, इसका क्या सोल्यूशन है, ये कस्टमर को क्या बोलना है, इसको ये
हाँ
करना था, ये काम है, ये करना है, ये हुआ था. So a lot of times, you know, things keeps on going in your mind. That may happen 24/7, but literally working for 24/7 is not an option for me. I am a person who totally believes in like balanced life, with work, with business, my family life, my personal life, my relations, my health, all this is equally important. So 24/7 बहुत बार होता है कि तुम सोचते हो and you have to be prepared for it. There are a few days जब 24/7 you are, you know, stressed out, कुछ
यस.
actual issues है and you have to find a solution for it. So at times it is 24/7, but ऐसा नहीं है कि 24/7 तुमको काम करना है तभी आगे
होना
बढ़
चाहिए.
पाएंगे, ऐसा नहीं.
ओके. तो गाइस, सचिन का मानना है कि आप लोग संडे को छुट्टी ले सकते हो. ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि मंडे टू सैटरडे काम करो, सैटरडे काम करने के बाद एक दिन खुद के लिए दे दो, एंजॉय करो, एंड देन अगेन गेट इनटू द बिजनेस फ्रॉम मंडे ऑनवर्ड्स, है ना? सो दिस कुड बी द विन विन सॉल्यूशन फॉर अस, आई कैन से. राइट.
Some
सो सचिन,
once in a while हो जाता है कि संडे भी काम करना पड़ रहा है.
हाँ
You
हाँ,
have to go it.
यू हैव टू डू इट, बिकॉज नॉट नेसेसरी दैट कि संडे स्किप कर सकते हैं. अगर संडेज को बड़ा ऑर्डर है तो क्या करेंगे, है ना? ऐसा तो नहीं बोल सकते कि छुट्टी है आज, है ना? सो ऑल द टाइम,
बिजनेस आ
यस. यस यस.
बिजनेस आ रहा है तो बिजनेस लेना है, कोई बिजनेस छोड़ना नहीं होता है.
हाँ, वो उसको उसमें डे मायने नहीं रखता, है ना? उसमें डे मायने नहीं रखता. ओके. So Sajin, we have a last part of our interview generally, that is called as a rapid fire round. In that, we will ask you two options, and out of that two options, you have to select one option.
Okay,
Right.
great, perfect.
So you are ready for the rapid fire round now?
Absolutely ready.
Okay. So what you will choose, money or fame?
Money, definitely money.
Money.
Fame,
Okay. 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 Yeah. Yeah. Yes. If you wanted to say something.
and go. Fame बाद में भी आ सकता है, but money is like the fuel to run your vehicle. If there is no money, then you cannot run your vehicle. And money आता रहेगा, so you can serve more people, you can serve more customers, you can expand your business, and gradually fame will come. Fame is like by default, it has to come when it has to come. So it will come. You don't need to worry about it. And fame
Okay. So
आएगा
you
तो
will.
जाएगा. Think about it.
Okay. So okay. So you will choose money rather than fame.
Yes.
Okay. Next question. What you will choose again? Hard work or smart work?
Uh, like this is a confusing question, but for me now it is smart work. I would say smart
Which
work
one?
now. Smart
Smart.
work. I
Okay.
choose smart work for my situation now. But again, it is like, you know, you constructing a full building, a tall skyscraper. Your foundation, your pillars, all this is built with hard work. So initially, you have to do a lot of hard work, starting stages, you know, until and unless you face every situation you face, you get all the knowledge, you don't know how to do smart work. So only after you do a lot of hard work, you know how, you know, what is a better way to do things. You know what are the shortcuts. So once you know all these things, then you can do smart work. So for me now it is smart work. But for anybody who is starting up, initially you have to be ready for a lot of hard work. Then after a few years, after a few months, you know, once you know in and out of the business, then it is smart work.
Okay. So you choose both hard work also, smart work also, and priorities of the hard work and smart works would be different
Correct.
as per the
For me,
situations. Like as per the situation. Okay, okay, thank you. Okay, I would like to thank you, Sajin, for coming on our platform. Though it is a bit a short interviews we are taking, because hardly people are having span of attention of 15 to 20 minutes nowadays. So that's why we are taking just a bit of an interview. We would definitely come to your office and we will have an interview at a length because we wanted to publish it on a particular book as such. So definitely we would like to come. Now, last question we generally ask to all the founders. How do you find this concept as a founder speaks? What improvements you suggest to us? We are very open for the improvements also.
Yeah. Again, I mean, it's a great platform. I totally love this platform. Entrepreneurs like me, budding entrepreneurs, small scale businesses, we are getting recognition from your platform. So thank you so much for this recognition. And on
Thank
the
you.
other side, viewers of this platform, the audience of this platform, I think most of them are people who want more knowledge, want to seek more and learn more from businesses. So you are doing a very noble job, a very great job of connecting entrepreneurs to people who want to be entrepreneurs. So
Yes,
it's a
yes.
great job.
Yeah.
Suggestion, nothing as such. Just keep going. Just keep doing this good job. Interview more entrepreneurs and keep educating more want to be entrepreneurs. That's it.
Right, right. Because we know that कोई बड़ा कोई छोटा नहीं होता, है ना? फाउंडर स्पीक्स 5 साल के बाद बड़ा हो सकता है, बट 5 साल के बाद भी हम लोगों से पूछेंगे कि कस्टमर इज ऑलवेज अ किंग. तो 5 साल के बाद भी हम लोगों को पूछेंगे कि हम में क्या इंप्रूवमेंट और चाहिए, क्योंकि आजकल नाउअडेज फेसबुक ऑल्सो डू एडवर्टीजमेंट्स. आजकल जरूरत नहीं है फेसबुक का एडवर्टीजमेंट करने की, मगर फेसबुक एडवर्टीजमेंट करता है आज की डेट में. तो इट इज ऑल अबाउट कि कस्टमर्स इज अ किंग. डेफिनेटली कस्टमर्स को जो चाहिए वो मिलना चाहिए. सो हमारे व्यूवर्स को भी जो चाहिए वो मिलना चाहिए. तो दैट्स व्हाई वी यूजुअली आस्क दिस काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस कि हमें आपको क्या लगता है कि कुछ इंप्रूवमेंट होना चाहिए या नहीं होना चाहिए. ओके, सो सचिन, थैंक्स अ लॉट for coming to this particular platform. Definitely we will see you in future. We will come to your company. Anything if you would like to tell about your company, you can say your address of your company, website of your company to our viewers, so that it can get recorded and people can visit that particular website. So last minute to you. Yeah, please.
Yeah. Thank you so much. I mean, I should be thanking you for giving this platform, for recognizing all the efforts that we've been taking, and it's a matter of great honor for being on your platform and to address all the audience, all the followers of your page. About my company, Silver Horse Ventures, you can Google it out. You can find all the details on Google itself. And my office is in Chinchwad, Pune. As of now, as I said, we are basically serving all companies in Pune now. And for connecting to me, you can connect me on LinkedIn. You can just search Sajin Sudhakaran. You'll be able to connect there. My website is Silver Horse Ventures. My email ID is silverhorseventures@gmail.com. Yeah, so feel free to connect to me,
Thank you.
and then yeah, whatever any help needed from my side, any budding entrepreneur, any time I can be of any help, feel free to contact me.
Okay, thank you. So those who wanted to get connected with this Sajin, you people can put some comments on a comment box also. So in future, after 1 year, 2 year also, Sajin can check that chat box and that he can connect for business. So it's all about creating the business also. So definitely you people can contact Sajin at any point of time for B2B inquiries, companies to companies inquiry, because he is a retail corporate supplier. So he supplies all the stuffs related with the companies, and definitely people will approach you, Sajin. And once again, I would like to thank you for coming to our platform. Thank you so much. Now we will end up with this particular interview. I have some message to my Founder Speaks viewers, so I'll continue with my message. So now, if you are feeling hungry, है ना, so you can leave. Thank you. You can have your dinner.
Yeah, okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank you
you.
for everyone who's and it's been a great session. Thanks a lot. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Sajin. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. So those people, those who are online today and those who are going to see that video, I just wanted to request them that we are going to come, we are coming up with the different types of founders to our platform. So be online. Generally, we are keeping our interviews on Saturday and Sunday so that you people get a free time and you people can definitely enjoy these live sessions. और एक रिक्वेस्ट आई थी कि हमें थोड़ा सा मराठी में फाउंडर्स इंटरव्यूज लेने चाहिए. तो पुढच्या वेळेस आपण मराठीतून इंटरव्ह्यू घेणार आहोत. मराठी उद्योजक आपल्या प्लॅटफॉर्मवरती येणार आहेत आणि आपण त्यांचा मराठी उद्योजकांचा इंटरव्ह्यूज आपण घेणार आहोत. तर सर्वांना माझी विनंती आहे की आपण सॅटर्डे संडे फ्री ठेवा, अर्ध्या तासासाठी आपण आपला वेळ काढावा. So that's why people can come to whatever the people are coming to our this particular platform, they will also feel motivated, they will get a business, and you people also can get a connect with these startups and entrepreneurship. There are some students, those who are enrolling to our platforms, those who are coming to our platform, those who are having so many questions. So you people can personally send me a message what questions to be asked to the entrepreneurs, and definitely we will inculcate that particular question into our interview. सो सर्वांना मला हेच सांगायचंय की आता पुढचे जे काही इंटरव्ह्यूज होणार आहेत ते आपल्या मराठीतून काही इंटरव्ह्यूज होतील, काही इंटरव्ह्यू हिंदीमधून होतील आणि काही इंटरव्ह्यूज हे इंग्लिश मधून सुद्धा आपण करणार आहोत. One more thing which I would like to tell everybody is that we just wanted to congratulate Founder Speaks because we already crossed 300 followers to our channel. And one more thing, our all the slots till March 2021 is already booked. So we have approached so many founders and our slots till March 2021 is already booked. So those who are founders, those who are messaging us are requested to please keep your slots free after March 2021. So once again, I would like to thank everybody, those who are online today. So thank you all of you guys for being online today. And definitely we will meet with the new founders in coming days. Thank you. Thank you everyone.